Hello, Pam. My name is Devin, and you spoke with my partner Mary earlier today. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time for speaking with her, and then as well as just checking out this video. So really quickly, I just wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website. You can do super easy to beat out Superior Plumbing, as you see they're ranked here at the top of Google when you type in Atlanta plumber. And this is a very high volume keyword. This gets about 2,400 searches a month alone. So definitely a keyword you guys want to be ranked for at the top of this page right here. So, and I'll talk about that in a second. So, like I said, I want to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So, the first thing I'm going to talk to you about is content. So, Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these home pages right here. So, you guys definitely have pretty good content right here. I think you guys have about 1,100 words of content on this front page. So, definitely pretty good and definitely better than a lot of competitors in this area. So, the reasoning behind Google liking for my second tip is called backlinks. So a backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. So this is very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they like to see trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company, but they want to see relevant companies. So they'll give you a lot more power for using other plumbers, other contractors, rather than using like a Pizza Hut, because Google understands you don't make pizzas for a living, right? So they'll give you a lot more power for using other businesses within your niche. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. So you see, you guys currently have 186 different websites, giving you a total of about 1.7K backlinks right here. So if we hop over here to Superior Plumbing, we see they have 295 websites, giving them about 7,900 backlinks. So that's a total of how many times superiorplumbing.com is listed in 295 different websites. And we see the amount of keywords they're using as well. So this is giving them your amount of keywords here. So this is giving them a lot of keywords right here, and this is giving them a lot of traffic right here. So definitely something that we could be striving for right here. So when it comes to backlinks, if these backlinks was good enough to get them ranked, they'll obviously be good enough to get you ranked. So you want to come in here, we can see exactly what websites they have their business listed in. So a lot of these are directories, so you just come in here, create an account, and then leave a link back to your website. Some of these are blogs right here, so you just leave a little blog comment, and then again, just leave a link back to your website. So you want to come in here, you want to take all of the high authority, high relevant links they have to these websites, and then go out there and grab them for yourself. And then you want to go grab more powerful ones because you want to shoot past these guys. As you see, they're ranked up here pretty high in the area. Definitely one of the top people to go get. So definitely want to get more powerful ones to really just push past these guys right here. So with those two tips, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listen section, which is everything under the maps and under the ads. If you want to be ranked right here in this Google My Business, Google Map Pack, um, this has everything to do with citations. And a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just anywhere you can list your business information, such as Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages. So you want to come in here. I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. So the top guy right here has about 62 citations right here. So you can actually see exactly what websites these guys are using what directories these guys have their company listed in, and I would suggest going out and snagging those for your guys' company, and then obviously going out and getting more. So again, with those 3 tips, that's what's going to have you dominating Google right here. So quick recap, we talked about just getting 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage, which you guys are already pretty close to, and then adding in those high volume local keywords you guys want to be ranking for. So I know you guys are Roswell Plumbing, so you should have Roswell Plumbing on this homepage. So just finding those high volume keywords that you want to rank for, so Google knows to find you guys. So, and we talked about backlinks, coming here and grabbing these backlinks, and then going out and getting more powerful ones, and then as well as those citations. So listing your business in as many directories as you can. I would recommend 150 to 200 to just really dominate the game. So that's all I have for you. I try to be quick and brief. So again, my name is Devin. My business partner is Mary. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or her. Our cell phone number is 775-402-2885. Thank you.